Two ships leave a port at the same time. One travels at 20 miles per hour in the direction north, 35 degrees east, and the other travels at 30 miles per hour in the direction south, 25 degrees east. How far apart are the ships after 1 hour? All right, now this is just a word problem, so we just want to, use the given information to set up the triangle, right? So essentially, what is the triangle that is made, and then based on the information that is given, how are we going to solve or figure out the missing values, right? So north 35 degrees east. So north 35 degrees east means from the north heading. Okay, from north we want to go 35 degrees to the east, right? So this ship, I guess, is essentially heading this way, right? So this is going to be 35 degrees, okay, and that's at 20 miles per hour, right? The second ship is south 25 degrees east. So that means from the south distance, we want to go 25 degrees this way, okay? And that ship travels at a direction or speed of 30 miles per hour. And the question is, well, how far apart are the ships after 1 hour, right? What is this length over here? Okay. You notice, well, wait a minute, okay, I have these two sides. Do we know any angle in this triangle? And they actually do, right? Because we know that the sum of this angle should be 180, so we have 35, 25, right? So actually this angle here is 120 degrees, right? So based on this given information, right, from here we should be able to solve for this side, right? I'll call this side C, I guess. Okay, so C squared equals A squared plus B squared minus 2 times A times B times the cosine of C. Okay, so we should know side A, side B, and the angle between them, right? So C squared equals 20 squared plus 30 squared minus 2 times 20 times 30 times the cosine of 120 degrees. Okay, so now it's just a little bit of busy work, just calculating all this out, right? Okay, 400 plus 900. Now here you got to be a little bit careful, right? Cosine of 100 is actually negative 1/2. Okay, so we actually get plus 600 here. Okay, once we calculate all that. Remember, cosine of 120 is negative 1/2, so that's going to change that to a plus. So C squared is actually equal 1900. Okay? So C then is just square root of 1900, which is going to give us 43.6. Okay, so the distance, the straight line distance between these two ships is going to be 43.6 miles, right? So this is just a good application of the law of cosines.